Hi everyone. Today we're gonna make chicken stew. What we need is diced chicken. This is chicken thighs, yeah, not breast. I don't like breast. Crushed tomatoes, a bit of tomato paste, 2 middle-sized onions. I like it oniony. 2 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, oregano, mixed herbs, and sweet paprika. Okay, what you can do is either you can chop the tomatoes or you can put them in the food processor and just run it a few seconds. But the main thing that we need is a pot. Okay, now turn the stove on. First thing first, turn the stove on. After we turn the stove on, we're gonna put a bit of oil in it. Okay, let that oil warm up. And then we're gonna add up our chickens in it to cook them in its own juice. Yes, Peanut. Today I'm gonna use food processor to do this because I feel lazy. So we're gonna start adding up our chickens in. Before I put the chickens in, what I do is I'll just sprinkle a bit of salt in the oil. Woohoo! Wash your hands. Ne oldu? What's wrong? Come here. Good boy. Good boy, Peanuts. You're gonna have it when it's cooked, okay? Don't say no. So the chickens are getting ready. Now we're gonna chuck these inside, and I do the same for the garlics. I just chop them into 3 pieces, put them in. I do it slowly to not to make them really mushy, and sometimes I shake it. If you want them a bit coarse, you can process them less. But if you want them really fine, keep processing it. See how good it is? Nicely done. Now we're gonna wait chicken to suck its own juice. Our chickens are ready, no juice left, and I just put the onions in and I added up 4 or 5 cubes of butter. It's lovely. Now we're gonna cook together for a while. When I add the butter, it's gonna get beautiful. It looks ready. We're gonna add up a bit of tomato paste, like a tablespoon. Changes the taste. Now we can add our tomatoes. You should smell that. Well, I'll give you guys a tip. If your tomato paste is getting moldy all the time, even if you put some oil on top of it, close it tightly, turn it over, and put it in the fridge upside down. Then you're gonna have no mold whatsoever. You're welcome. I'm gonna add herbs and salt and this and that I showed you in the beginning. By the way, while I am letting the chicken cook in its own juice, I put a slice of lemon in it. It's gonna take that chicken smell. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, I am adding some hot pepper pickles, like 2 of them. Makes it so tasty. Better than chili flakes, I'm telling you. And this is my favorite brand in Australia. It's time to add hot water. And as you can see, it's boiling right away. Oh, it looks yummy. So easy. You just make it in 15 minutes and then let it simmer for half an hour to an hour. If you want thicker, you can simmer it a bit more. And I'm gonna simmer it. Move to this side. Right. Opa. Nice. That's it. Now it's ready. I recommend a nice rice next to it. It'll be amazing. And if you got sourdough bread, you can just dip it in. Very tasty. If you want me to cook another recipe, just write down in the comments whatever you want me to cook, so I'll try to cook them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the other videos. Take care.